Here is a disabled APC, blocking the cleared road, creating a bottleneck. Ukrainian positions are here. This is the first defensive line. One APC tries to bypass the blockage and hits a mine. Another attempt, another explosion. Ukrainian artillery hits the stalled enemy forces, and those accurate strikes cause massive losses. Chaos and panic lead to haste, and haste leads to deadly mistakes like this explosion. Cluster munitions effectively eliminate halted targets. By this point, the Russian forces have already